Welcome to another episode of Jumpin In the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today we're going back to the Christmas menu. And off the Christmas menu, I'm going to make a side. And this is what's going to be jumping in my pot today. Spinach mushroom rice. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using. Vegetable broth. I have in here salt and black pepper, light soy sauce. In this bowl here, I have onions, scallions, and garlic diced up. In this container, I have basmati rice. I already cooked my rice. You must cook your rice for this dish. You can use jasmine rice, brown rice, white rice, whatever rice you choose to use. I have here baby Bella mushrooms and baby spinach. I already washed them. And oil. I have a saute pan here. I have it turned on medium high, and I'm going to put some oil in the pan. We're going to have the mushrooms jumping to the pan first. We're going to saute the mushrooms until it turns nice and soft. Oh, it looks like the mushroom is coming along well. Now I think it's time to move along and add the next ingredients. You know, this is a simple and quick side dish. That's why I picked it for Christmas. When you got so much other food on your menu, you want something, a couple of sides I chose that you can make quick and easy. Now, you're going to saute this up together for about 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions get translucent. Yes, the vegetables have sauteed up enough. Now, we're going to have the baby spinach jump into the pan. We're going to cook the spinach until it wilts up. Then we're going to move on to the next ingredient. Now that the spinach has wilted up, it's time for the rice to jump into the pan. We're going to add the vegetable broth, the soy sauce, the black pepper and salt. And we're going to let this cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. There you have it, spinach mushroom rice. Enjoy. Oh yes, I forgot to say, this dish can be made for those who are vegan. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and X. And don't forget to check out the screen below and watch some of my older videos. See you soon with another video. Bye.